Best anti-aging face mask at home. Best anti-wrinkle face mask for aging skin tightening. Probably, we are not so familiar with pumpkin when it is going to be the best face mask for aging skin. People are very fond of best Korean anti-aging mask at home. But does they know the pumpkin contains vitamin A, C, and E, and antioxidants, which help fight sun damage and is very effective to the best face mask for wrinkles and acne? Are you looking for the best natural anti-aging face mask to prevent fine lines, saggy skin and wrinkles? Then this is going to be the best choice for your best face mask for older skin. The next time you buy a pumpkin, don't just eat it, reserve some to make this beautiful natural anti-aging mask. Pumpkins contain retinoic acid, antioxidants, beta-carotene, which you find in the most expensive skincare products. When you combine the natural fruit enzymes and alpha-hydroxy acids in the pumpkin, this natural anti-wrinkle mask will help make your skin softer and boost collagen production to prevent the signs of aging. Secondly, sweet potato contains high level of vitamin A, which helps your skin to get rid of dead cells and create new ones, which in turn increases collagen production, potentially helping reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. I saw many people search on internet like best anti-aging masks 2018 or 2019 when they are looking for best firming mask for mature skin. There are many best clay mask for mature skin online which attracts most because of their texture only. The most important part of any best mask for wrinkles should be hydrating and moisturizing. So, keeping in mind, you should try this best rejuvenating face mask routinely. It will surely be the best mask for older skin with time. Sweet potatoes contain vitamin C and flavonoid antioxidant, which is vital in the production of collagen. They also neutralize molecules called free radicals. An increased intake of vitamin A may help to increase healthy skin cell production. So, from now, whenever you are going to search an anti-aging face mask homemade, we will suggest you to add this to your anti-aging skincare routine. A sweet potato skin mask may also help to rid skin of excess facial oils and a great anti-aging face mask for dry skin in terms of moisturizing due to its potassium and pantothenic acid properties. Treat yourself to glowing, youthful-looking skin with this best anti-wrinkle mask in our handy guide. Most of us need a good and best mask for aging skin once we hit our late 20s. If you liked the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty. Thank you.